So, this is taking forever. Seriously. The heck? I can't turn it off either. It's just stuck like this. Oh, we got 1%? That's like 1% of the bar. Seriously, it's been like 2 minutes. In fact, I'm not kidding. I started this at 10:08. $2K. I'm assuming it's $2K because they made BioShock Infinite, but $2K! What the heck? Neither Borderlands 2, Borderlands the pre-sequel, or BioShock Infinite took this long. But BioShock, normal BioShock, is taking years. Gee, thanks. I wonder when we'll get a 2nd%. Seriously, this is a bit overkill. Seriously, I want to record every second that this takes to get to 100%. In fact, I bet that if I wake up to... Ooh, we got 2%. If I wake up tomorrow morning, it still won't be done. Of course it'll be done. But I guess I do have to cut them a little bit of slack. I am downloading it directly off of the BioShock Infinite disc, so... But, seriously, what the crap? Bollocks. It's been 4 minutes and we have 2%. Oh, faster, Pokey. It's only been 3 minutes on the video, but it's been 4 minutes in real life. This sucks. I'm already 400 megabytes now. This is super annoying. Record faster. Or not record. Oop! We got 3%! Whoa! Oh my god. You guys understand. This is taking way too long. Just way too long. I mean, if it was like early 70s technology or whatever, when computers were invented, this would be Mach 5. but still, it's taking a while. Probably didn't even know what gigabytes were. It is 12 gigabytes, and that's like a third of my entire free space. Ow. Or not my free space, my entire space period. So I can understand how it's going to take a while. I have 37 gigabytes total. This takes up 12. So... I bet this game is going to be absolutely humongous and just... It's going to last a while, probably, hopefully. But still, what the crap? Oh my god! Moving at Mach 5 here, kids. 4%. Holy shit! When that reaches 5%, I'm turning the camera off. Because this is... Listen to my breath. No, I'm just kidding. I'm already at 700 megabytes, Mom. Ma. Sorry. Just something. Anyway. Make 5. Please. I will strangle my phone. Hold on. What is that? Is that? Oh, is that? Oh, is that? It's a little bit of green. Still 4%, everybody. It's been 6.5 minutes. And 800 megabytes. Oh my god, it's 5! Oh yeah. Oh my god. Hey look, there's a friend online. That's nice. Oh hey look, it's 10:16. Hey look, it's BioShock.